Hello, back again to easymed. Today's topic is why the coronavirus is a parasite. I'm Dr. Frank Weber. I'm a clinical physician with a lot of medical experience. So viruses are very tiny. That are the red dots here. And the outer membrane of a cell is huge if you compare it with a virus. You can't see a virus in a normal microscope. You need to have an electronic microscope. So actually the most important part from a virus is the genetic information, because he can't reproduce himself. He needs a host. So that is the reason why he is a parasite. He can't survive without a host. And there are different shapes of viruses, and you are used to the pictures from Corona. This one, who attacks bacteria, looks a little bit like a lunar lander, but we are used now to talk about the coronavirus. And you have these keys on the outer layer, and they fit perfectly with a special receptor on the outer cell membrane. It's called ACE2 receptor. It's like a key and a lock. If the key is not the right, you can't open the lock. But he has the right key to open this gate in this receptor, and then he can transfer his genetical material into the cell. And now I will explain to you how he is attacking a cell. So the smallest unit of life is a cell, and the cell has also a own cell production line, which a virus do not have. And after the virus attack, he is capturing the cell's production line, the computer, and is inserting the virus software. Then the cell gets a command: stop your own production line and start to reproduce only viruses. So that is not very nice. And the final order from this virus program is the order to disrupt yourself. And then all these viruses which were produced inside the cell can spread in the body, and the whole process starts again with other cells. So he loves to enter the body via the airways, via the nostrils, via the mouth, inside the air pipe, the trachea, and from the trachea to the lungs. And if you do not have a really good immune system, you can't protect the attack, and then you will get seriously ill. Later on there are coming some videos where I will explain it. Another way to enter the body is via the eyes. So do not rub your eyes, do not pick your nose, and do not stick your finger in your mouth, because your hands could be full with the coronavirus. That's the reason why it is so important to wash and disinfect your hand and wear a mask, because if you are wearing a mask, it's very difficult to pick the nose and stick the finger into the mouth. Later on, more news about corona and the coronavirus. We have together to fight, and we have to win the battle, and this is Victor for victory, our victory over corona. Stay healthy and safe. See you soon with the next video.